If you ever want to piss off a judge, just don't show up for your court date multiple times after they already gave you second, third, and fourth chances to not do that. I still have a couple of criminal cases I'm following up for clients, and this court clerk for one just saved my life. When you have a criminal case, a lot of judges will give you a second chance if you miss your first court date because things happen, people forget. If you take advantage of that kindness, some of them kind of take it personally and then they will give you a warrant with a bond. That means if you get arrested or turn yourself in, if you can't pay the bond, you stay there until we figure out the rest of your case. This client hired me after they had already missed a few court dates to kind of resolve a lot of pending traffic matters. I love doing that. It's like solving a puzzle. Because they had already missed more than one date, it didn't work like normal, and the judge literally left me on red by reading my first motion to recall the warrant. I had to call the clerk and be like, what do I do? Each judge has their own preferences, so I call the clerk whenever it's not a normal thing, so I can see how does this judge prefer it, what do they like, so that I can be in the best light possible. Clerks can make your life easy or harder. You really want them on your side because they can tell you this information or they don't have to, but they can definitely make your life a living hell. I have never understood why some lawyers are rude to the court clerks because that's the first person I call. I have a question, I call the clerk. I have a question about what the prosecutor does, I call the clerk first. Based off the information the clerk gave me, I think we're gonna get it sorted out. I had to file a second motion to recall the warrant with the state's consent, so wish me luck. Hopefully my client doesn't have to turn themselves in. I've never had to do this particular kind of motion in front of this judge before, so I'm honestly not sure how he's going to rule, but I'll let you know either way. These pour overs are so good.